How does misconduct impact your unemployment benefit eligibility? Imagine losing your job and wondering if you can still get unemployment benefits. Sometimes, your eligibility can change based on what led to your termination. Let's explore how misconduct plays a role in this process. Unemployment benefits are meant for workers who lose their jobs through no fault of their own. If you are fired for misconduct, your chances of receiving benefits can be affected. The key term here is willful misconduct. This means your actions were intentional or deliberate, like breaking workplace rules on purpose or showing a reckless disregard for your job duties. Employers need to prove that your misconduct was willful to deny benefits. If your poor performance was due to lack of skills or health issues, that usually doesn't count as misconduct. For example, if you missed work because of illness and followed proper reporting procedures, you might still qualify for benefits. But if you repeatedly ignored warnings or broke rules after being warned, that could be seen as misconduct. Absenteeism and tardiness can also impact your eligibility. If you were warned about your attendance and still chose to be absent or late without a valid reason, that might be considered misconduct. However, if you missed work because of a legitimate reason like a medical emergency, benefits are likely unaffected. Misconduct outside of work, such as off-duty drug use that affects your ability to work or results in termination, can also influence your eligibility. If your actions lead to a job loss and are connected to your employment, they might be considered misconduct. Serious violations like physical assault or property damage at work are clear cases where benefits could be denied until you requalify through new employment. Employers usually need to document warnings, policies, and the nature of your misconduct to support their case. If you believe your termination was unfair or based on mistaken conduct, you can often challenge the decision. Showing that your actions were justified or that you had a good reason can help you keep your benefits. Remember, rules about misconduct and unemployment benefits vary by state. But generally, if your actions were intentional, harmful, or grossly negligent, your eligibility for benefits could be affected. On the other hand, unintentional mistakes or performance issues usually won't disqualify you. So, understanding what counts as misconduct can help you know what to expect if you face job loss and are applying for unemployment benefits.